Hi children, this is Suresh. Welcome to math class. Children, in previous class we have discussed some problems. Now in this class we are going to solve remaining problems in exercise 3.4. Watch the third problem in exercise 3.4, that is obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Okay, children, here two zeros of the polynomial are given. By using this data we have to find the other zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, solution. First write the given data. Given root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of three x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, children, for our convenience, name this polynomial as px. Let px equal to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Children, here root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are zeros of the polynomial px. So x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors of the polynomial px. Okay, since root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of px, that's why x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors of px. Children, this is very important problem and this is the essay problem. Okay, children, since root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of p of x, that's why x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors of px. Children, here you can have a doubt, why x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors of p of x. Let me explain clearly. For that, let us consider this example, that is, here I am going to explain this concept by taking an example, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, children, here I take an example, that is x square plus 5x plus 6. Find the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, let us find. For finding the zeros of this polynomial, we have to equal this polynomial with the 0. That's why x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial, that's why we have to multiply the first term and last term, and we have to split the second term as two numbers, that is 6x square. And if you take two numbers and by multiplying this and by multiplying them you have to get 6x square, and if you simplify them you have to get 5x. Okay, that's why 6x square. I'm taking 2x and 3x. If you multiply this 2, you can get 6x square, and if you simplify this you can get 5x. Okay, that's why these are the suitable factors for getting the 6x square. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. If you take x as common term, you can get x into x plus 2, and if you take 3 as common term from the terms 3x plus 6, you can get x plus 2. And in these two terms x plus 2 is the common term, that's why I take x plus 2 as the common term, and the remaining terms are x plus 3. Okay children, here x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6. What is factorization and what are factors? Factorization is nothing but if you write a number as product of two or more numbers, that is factorization. And the numbers or polynomials involved in the product or involved in the multiplication are called factors. Okay, here x square plus 5x plus 6 can be written as the product of x plus 2 and x plus 3, and this is the process is called factorization, and x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so here this concept is required for our problem. So x square plus 5x plus 6, this can be written as the product of x plus 2 and x plus 3. By from these two factors you can get the zeros. Okay, here x plus 2 and x plus 3 equal to 0, that means either x plus 2 or 0 or either x plus 3 or 0. So that's why we have to equal x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0, and from this you can get x equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 3. Okay children, here factors are x equal to minus 2 and again factors are zeros are minus 2 and minus 3. So and from this zeros you can get the factors. Okay, here x equal to minus 2, that means let me take x equal to minus 2. From this you can get, if you transpose this, you can get x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the one of the factor. Okay, and from this also you can get the remaining factor. Here x equal to minus 3, and if you transpose this you can get x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the one of the factor. Okay, so that's why if you are given zeros you can get the factors from the zeros. Okay, that's why here two zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. That means x equal to root 5 by 3 and x equal to minus root 5 by 3. From this you can get the factors, and if you transpose this, x minus root 5 by 3 equal to 0, and if you transpose this, x plus root 5 by 3 equal to 0. So this is the factor and this is also one of the factors. Okay, so in this way we can get the factors from the zeros. Okay, that's why here root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of p of x. From this you can get the factors that they are x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. Okay children, okay, now multiply these two factors, x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. What will be the result? Here these are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So the formula is a square minus b square. So that is, let me write here, a plus b into a minus b. So the answer will be a square minus b square. So by using this formula you can get a square minus b square. Here a means x, that means x square, minus b means root 5 by 3, that means b square means root 5 by 3 whole square. Here square and root get cancelled, so the result is x square minus 5 by 3. Okay, from these two factors we can get a polynomial, that is x square minus 5 by 3. So by using this polynomial you can get the other zeros of the px. Okay, let me explain how it is possible. Let me explain one example. You have a number that is 6 and one of the factors of 6 is 2, and you are asked to find the other factor. How can you get the other factor? Yes, if you divide the 6 by the one of the factors you can get the other factor, that is 2 3s are 6, so remainder is 0. So 3 and 2 are the factors of 6. Okay, so you can get the other factor of 6, that is 3, by doing the division. Okay, So here also this is the polynomial of fourth degree. Fourth degree polynomial contains 4 zeros. Here 2 zeros of px are given. We have to find the other 2 zeros. Okay, for finding the other 2 zeros, you have to use this polynomial by dividing this polynomial. That means by dividing px by the polynomial x square minus 5 by 3, you can get some quotient, and by using that quotient you can get the remaining zeros also. Okay children, this is very important problem. Don't get confused. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or you can send message by your you can send your doubt by message. Okay, so now continue the process.